stadium. The mood is quite electric here. Many people tell us that it's actually about celebrating the life of Utatu Nelson Mandela, not necessarily mourning him. It's what he dreamt about, of course, when we were thinking about the Rainbow Nation, all kinds of colors you can find here, all political parties of all sorts from all sides, all sporting codes. We're joined now by Jan de Villiers, the captain of the Springboks, who's going to tell us why he's here. The mood is quite electric, isn't it?
It's an unbelievable atmosphere. I've played a lot of test matches and I've been to a lot of sporting events, and I think this just caps everything off. It's an unbelievable atmosphere, and you can just feel the love within the stadium. Every single person that's here wants to be here, and everyone that's here really appreciates what Madiba did for this country and what Madiba did for the world. So it is a celebration. It's a sad day, but it's a celebration as well, and you can just feel how electric it is.
What does the legend himself mean to you as a person?
Well, I think to me and every single South African, we're just so grateful for what he did, for the person that he was, and for the Springbok team and Madiba, there's quite a long history as well. And if it wasn't for Madiba, I probably would not have worn the Springbok on my blazer today. So he's done so much, and he showed that sport can unify a nation, and we've done that. And now our responsibility, not just as players, but as South Africans, are to take it to the next level, to continue that Madiba magic and to continue living by the morals that Madiba lived by.
And just one more thing, how old were you in 1995 when Madiba walked out wearing Francois Pienaar's number, and you were obviously, of course, dreaming of being here?
Yeah, I was 14 years old watching the game, and I was very excited, to watch the game, and I think everyone was. And then Madiba walked out, and I think that just changed everything. New Zealand didn't stand a chance after that, and I always remember that moment, and Madiba waving his cap and dancing, and unbelievable person.
Thank you very much for joining us. Silapha nje kungokuba iqhawe lamaqhawe lisishiyile, and we're broadcasting live throughout the day until the end of the memorial service. And you must remember that this is more like the funeral of the masses, because many of them won't be able to go to Qunu. We take it back to you in the studio.